Oh hey, come on over. A couple of weeks ago I made a video where I showed you how I propagated my Lewisia Cotyledon, and you might remember that I got all the babies from the bottom of this plant and then I transplanted them into this pot, and this is how my babies look like now. I checked earlier, they don't have roots yet. I want to do two things in this video. First, I want to keep on propagating, and then I will fast forward this video and I will go 2, 3, 4 weeks into the future, and then you will see whether the propagation actually worked. So then we'll check whether these babies have roots, and so that's basically what I want to do in this video. So the last time I propagated, I thought there were only babies below the leaves. But I let the Lewisia grow a little bit further, and then I noticed that those aren't bloom stalks, as I had originally thought, but they are babies in themselves. So they look quite similar, but you can see the bloom stalks. They look like this. So those are going to be blooms, and they're closer to the center of the Lewisia, whereas these stalks, those are babies. And you can see that this is the new plant forming, and it already has bloom stalks forming. So what I will do today is to cut off all the babies and plant them in here as well. So let's do this. So again, I will try to go as close to the mother plant as possible and simply cut it off. I will place it here for now. And I think I have two more. This big one. And yeah, I think this is the final baby. And yeah, you can see that it is a baby because it has like this traditional Lewisia Cotyledon form, and it has bloom stalks that are forming over here. So I think that's kind of how you can differentiate between the traditional bloom stalks to the babies. Okay, I think we are done with this plant. We can put it to the side for now. Just cut this spent bloom stalk off. Okay, so now we have all these babies. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And do you remember the 3 babies from that were under the leaves? So I had 11 babies from this one single mother plant. So as you can see, they are quite long, and I can't just put. I could put them in there like this, but it's not that nice to look at. So I will cut them a little bit shorter, and then do the same as I did before. I will just put them into the soil. Take one more. want to ensure that the baby still has a little bit of a stem, so it has enough space for roots to grow, and in case it rots, I can still cut off some of the stem if I need to. And I'm aware it's quite crowded, but they won't mind at all. So I don't want to throw away these bloom stalks, so I will just cut them off and maybe make a small bouquet later on. Maybe I will do the same here. Oops. See if I find more space. Okay, I think that's it for now. It doesn't look the most pretty, not the prettiest sight, but they just need a little bit of soil to be able to form roots. And in a couple of weeks, I will inform you how it turned out. I will continue this video then and show you some of the roots. Bye bye. And while we wait all this time, let's make a beautiful bouquet. So gonna be curious to see how long these plants, how long these blooms will survive in water. See you in a few weeks. And we are back. So it's been more than a month, and let's look at these Lewisia Cotyledon cuttings that we put into soil. And so this is what they look like now. You see that some of them died and I removed the dead ones. I also think this one is not going to survive. It's been raining quite a lot recently, so maybe some of them didn't like this rain. I think also the center of this one doesn't look like it's too healthy. However, I think the other ones look quite well. Let's see if they have roots. That's kind of what we wanted to achieve. So I will lift up this one, which looks the best in my opinion. yes, beautiful. Can you see the roots? So that's very promising, and like in a couple of months they would look like these, like their older brothers and older sisters. So let's put it back. But I also want to look at some of these other cuttings. This one. Oh yeah, even here. So this was one of the longer stems, and yeah, we can see quite a healthy root system. And I will just leave it in here for longer and see how much they will grow. Yeah, so it's quite a small root system, but I mean, at least like 1 or 2 roots. Anyway, that's it. This is my Lewisia Cotyledon propagation update. I hope you learned a little bit, and see you later. Bye bye.